Example 2 on page 527. Add or subtract, simplify by collecting like terms if possible. Again, we're given three terms. These three terms involve radicals. So, to combine terms with radicals, you need to check two things. If the radicals have the same index or kth, so let's check. Now, these three radicals have k equal 3, right? With this k root. 3, 3, 3. So check. It satisfies the first condition. How about, do they have the same radicals? And you see all these radicals all have radicals 2, 2, 2. So satisfy these two conditions. That means we can simplify and combine all these radicals terms. So I have it here, a q root of 2 minus 7x q root of 2 plus 5 q root of 2. This is given. So to combine all these, you can treat all these as a variable. Like, because we have x, right? Treat this as y, y, y. So how do you simplify a y minus 7x y plus 5y? Just treat this q root of 2 as y, okay? Imagine it's y, okay? That's why I have ay minus 7x times y plus 5 times y. So I assume that q root of 2 equal to y. In doing that, I see that this and this I can simplify, right? So a plus 5 is, let's see, a plus 5 is 13y minus 7xy, right? And then, all right, let's try this first. So I'm going to take this, add this, I would get take this, add this, I will get 13y, which is 13 q root of 2, okay? So we just combine these two terms to this. The remaining is here, negative 7x q root of 2. Again, treat this as 13y minus 7xy. Now, the common factor is y, right? You can factor out the y if you wish. You factor out the y, you would have factor out the y here. You will have 13 remaining minus 7x. Okay? So I'm going to apply the same procedure here, okay? So equal, I'm going to factor out the y. And y in this case is q root of 2. And the remaining is 13, right? Because I factor out this. And subtracts go here. And for this term, the remaining is 7x. Because I factor out q root 2. And you see, you would have 13 minus 7x, 13 minus 7x inside parentheses. And then y here play as the role of q root of 2. Now, this is not the answer. I just want to help you with looking at the problem in a different way, in a way that we familiar with. So, with practice, you don't have to think about q root of 2 as y. You can look at this as a q root of 2 minus 7x q root of 2 plus 5 q root of 2. For this and this, you can simplify because they all have coefficient a and 5, and q root of 2. That means you can add them, make it 13 q root of 2. Remaining term go here. And for these two terms, q root 2 is the common factor. So you factor it out. Remaining is 13. And subtract. Remaining of this term is 7x. So the answer is 13 minus 7x, everything, times q root of 2, for example 2.